Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services, and I just wanted to do a real quick video about something I'm excited to share with people, and it's about how to get a credit repair business set up and really be able to work it from anywhere, because there's a ton of freedom in being able to take your business on the road with you. So stay tuned, and I'm going to talk about, again, how to run a credit repair business from anywhere. So here I am in beautiful Columbus, North Carolina. Now, Columbus is a very small town, about 1,000 people, just over the South Carolina border, on the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. And if you were able to look right out there over my shoulder, you could see the Blue Ridge Mountains. So it's a beautiful setting. There's a lot of things to do here. And I don't live here. I normally live, or I do live in Largo, Florida. My wife and I do. And we drove 650 miles up here. We rented a house for the entire month of July. And guess what? I'm still operating my credit repair business. Wouldn't that be awesome to be able to not only build a business, but get that business established, make a very nice income, which you can in the credit repair industry, but also be able to take that business on the road with you. And that's what I'm able to do. That's what I'm excited to share with you. But I will tell you that if you're going to want a business to be able to take on the road with you, travel anywhere, my wife and I have been to Caribbean islands, and I've run my business from Caribbean islands. We've been all over the United States, and I've run my business when I'm on the road. And it just allows, obviously, that freedom. And if you want to have that, you got to think about how you're going to set that up going into starting your credit repair business. Because if you think about the credit repair business, and you're going to do it all yourself. You're going to do the marketing to get clients. You're going to do the sales of those prospective clients. You are going to draft dispute letters. You are going to analyze credit reports. You're going to pull credit. You're going to do everything related to servicing the client as well. Yeah, that business you can't take on the road because there's just too much to do. Even if you could figure out how to do all that remotely, you couldn't do it that way. You couldn't do it everything yourself. You wouldn't enjoy yourself. There just wouldn't be enough time in the day to have your vacation as well as run your business. And you probably heard some thunder coming in. We've got a thunderstorm coming in, and just a gorgeous area. There's a tremendous amount of beautiful things to do here, and I just love it here. But I can do it because we have the right business model. And the right business model means that, hear that thunder? The right business model means that you have a staff of people that are going to do all the administrative work. They are going to pull credit. They are going to draft dispute letters. They're going to get those letters out the door to the client. They're going to upload that information to an online account for the client. They are going to deliver the service. So what does it allow you to do? Well, if you're home, you work in your home-based business, or you want to work in an office, you can do that as well. You move on to the next client. But if you're traveling, you can have phone calls lined up all day like I do today, and make those calls, make those sales, put those sales into the system, and move on to the next client while I'm here, or move on to a bike ride, or move on to going up into the mountains, move on to enjoying your life. And that's what this business model has afforded us the ability to do, and it can afford you the ability to do the same thing. If you're interested in finding out a different way about going about the credit repair business, in other words, not setting up everything yourself, not doing everything yourself, not worried about getting a merchant services company or finding a company that's going to allow you to pull credit and all of that, and you are also restricted in that you can only work in your state. What if you could work with a business model that did all that for you, but you were able to do business in all 50 states without surety bonds or any of that kind of legality that you normally have to deal with. You can with our business model. If you're interested in our business model, right below the video, there's going to be a link to another video that you can watch that gives you specifics on the business model. Also a link to our website if you want to go check out the website. There's the video is going to be there as well. And then right below that video on our website is going to be an icon, a very big one. It says book a phone appointment. You can click that. It'll pull up my calendar and you can book a phone appointment to speak directly with me after you've seen that video. Make sure you watch that video first. It's important you get all the details. But if it sounds good to you, you like what you see, book that phone appointment with me. We'll spend some time so that you can get all your questions answered and we can kind of go through all of the details. Well, listen, the storm's starting to roll in. I'm going to let you all go. I'm going to get back to my vacation and hopefully we'll be talking to you real soon. Take good care. Top is up.